Another one of my pheasant videos that you can send to Aaron. You know, we got a dozen of them in the road here or so. That's just one brood, maybe two broods altogether. There they go. And there's a whole bunch more down in there too.
In half a mile, turn right onto Broadway Avenue.
I only see a few right now, but I think there's a pile of pheasants down here. You'll see them in the road here. Yeah, they're all over on these hay bales out here. Let's see how many we can get to flush through the window. Yeah, there's probably a good 100 birds out here. And there's actually antelope right out there too. I don't know if you can see them. And here's going to be more piles of pheasants. I don't know if you can see in the sun, but there's 30 of them there. There's a hen right in front of the truck. Probably ran her over. No, she flew. We'll get up to these guys here. There's 25 or so on the road here, maybe more. They're all just running. Got one sharp tail, and sure am glad I had the little baby 20 gauge with me. Sparks out. Basically, with the snow, most of them are hanging up in the wheat fields, and boy, we got some wheat fields out here. This is out in North Denton, piece of state land. I guess it's off of North Coffee Creek Road, and then you go on to something called No Name Road. But anyway, there's a big piece up here, absolutely loaded with pheasants all along down this road for about 15 miles.